Hi, my name is Rabi Shamsuddin with Prime Lending. Today I have Sean Russell with Good Day Realty. Sean, I have a question for you. Um, how do people today search for home?
Great question. Well, a lot of people, of course, know about Zillow. However, here in Houston, we have an awesome MLS system, which a lot of people know about, the HAR.com. It's got an app you can put on your phone or on your tablet or on your computer. It has the most up-to-date information. So, of course, there's homes that have already sold, they're pending, but you want to look for those ones that are available because I don't want to show you any ones that have already got a contract on it, for example. And then when we start the process for searching for a home, we might want to take into account like, well, how many bedrooms you want, how big, where is it located as far as schools are concerned, things like that. So we definitely want to get started. It's a lot of a process of elimination, meaning you find out what you do want by finding out the things you don't want. And that's a little bit of checking out different neighborhoods, looking at different floor plans and that sort of thing. And it's a lot of fun, so we can get started right away once we know what the numbers look like for you.
Well, stay tuned for a seminar we're having on Saturday, November 10 at 10 o'clock. We'll see you there.
See you there.